Good evening, everyone. The Immortal King walk. So you can take a pause and according with the name of this position, you can try to create good plan for the white. After that, we can watch this game, this amazing game. Okay, I hope you took a pause and calculate something, create some ideas, and first we will see how the game was played. White played King h2, Black played Rook c8, and here White found brilliant idea, King g3. After Rook e8, they continued to bring their king to checkmate, King f4, Bishop c8, King g5, and now White has threat King h6 and Queen g7 checkmate. An example: Bishop d7, King h6, and next move Queen g7. That is the beauty of the chess. Let's just take a move back. In case Black plays King h7, can you guess how to play for the White here? You can take a pause. And I hope you could find this amazing combination with the pin Queen g6, and after King h8, Queen h6 check, King g8, and this amazing King f6 go from another side to checkmate. That is incredible positions with Queen to Rooks and Bishop for the Black, but the White King goes to attack. That is something amazing. Okay, come back to this position. After King h2, Black has another option like Bishop c8, of course the best move, so Black has active defense. They attack the Rook, but after knight g5, Bishop d7, g4. Here is White simply trade gh and h6. In case gh, they may checkmate with Queen h6 and Queen h7. So it's better to take hg with idea to create counterplay with g3, and after h5, g3. That is combination in defense that is very powerful. After f, take g, Queen a4 with idea to attack king from another side. White can simply, or White can simply play h6. Yes. And after Queen c2, take a pause and find the best move for the White here. And White has a brilliant move again, Rook d2. If they right now play King h3, Black simply can play Queen f5. So, but after Rook d2, Queen d2, King h3, checkmate is unavoidable. White will play h7 or Queen g7, so two threats, and even one of them is not easy to block. An example: Queen g5 to block h7 checkmate, Queen g7 checkmate from the Whites. So I hope you could enjoy this amazing position also. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe on my channel, and keep growing in chess. Bye bye.